Hi guys, it's Hinda and welcome to Cooking Fantasies. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious and really easy to make mango dessert with mango mousse with only 3 ingredients. I personally love mango. There are so many ways to eat and enjoy mango, but this is one of my favorite ways because it's really easy to make, it looks fancy, and it's really delicious, which is the most important thing. So before we get to the recipe, as always, I'm going to be leaving you down in the description box the exact amount of the ingredients you're going to need. And because it's 3 ingredients recipe, we're going to need a mango, heavy cream, and icing sugar, as simple as that. I start by having a very nice ripe mango that smells nice and has so much flavor to it. I'm gonna cut my mango, peel it, remove as much flesh as possible to make a nice puree. And the reason why I first cut it into small cubes is because I want to keep some really cute little cubes of mango to decorate my cups later. If you don't have a fresh mango for whatever reason, maybe it's not the season or you don't have fresh mangoes, what you can use instead is mango puree. I'm gonna simply use a hand blender to mix my mangoes and make a puree. You can use any tool you have in the kitchen, a smoothie maker, a food processor, whatever you have. And in case you are using a store-bought ready mango from the supermarkets or whatever, most probably you're not gonna be needing to add any sugar as these products already contain sugar. And before blending, I'm gonna keep some fresh cubes of mango for decorating. Actually, you can cut them however you want to decorate your cups. If you are using ready mango puree for the dessert, you can still decorate your cups with shredded coconut, white chocolate shavings, or many other things, so don't worry about it. But since I'm using fresh fruit, I'm going to be adding half the quantity of the icing sugar or the powdered sugar to the fruit while blending. The mango puree is ready. You're going to leave it on the side and let's prepare the cream. To prepare a nice whipped cream, we need the heavy cream to be very cold, so consider placing it in the freezer a few minutes prior to making it. I like to first beat it on low speed for a few seconds until it starts having some air bubbles. Then I add the rest of the icing sugar and keep beating until we have a nice whipped cream texture. Because people sometimes ask me if they can use ready whipped cream instead of making a whipped cream with heavy cream, I don't see why it would work. You can most probably add ready whipped cream to the recipe, but if it's the case, then you don't need to add any icing sugar, neither to the fruit puree or in this step, because whipped cream is already sweet enough. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, we make a lot of delicious and easy recipes here, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified whenever a new recipe is up. I'm really happy with the texture now. It's creamy, it's stiff, it's stable enough. Just wanted to show you here the options. You can use the big cups or the small cups. Big cups is not a problem at all because this is not a heavy dessert. It's very light and a big cup would easily make a portion. It's totally not too much. And I'm gonna start by adding about 2 tablespoons of the mango puree to the bottom of each cup. And then finally, I'm going to add the rest of the mango puree to the whipped cream and nicely and gently fold it in. If you have trouble making a whipped cream, or if you want to make this way in advance and you want it to hold the shape and the texture, I would highly recommend you to use a whipped cream stabilizer. It's probably called Whip It, or you just look up whipped cream stabilizer, and maybe it has different names in different countries, but if you happen to have that, it's really good for this kind of desserts because it helps the whipped cream stay stable and keep the shape and the texture. And finally, I'm going to add my fresh cubed mangoes to the top. And as easy as that, you can make a delicious dessert that looks beautiful and tastes really amazing. Trust me, you're gonna have to try it. And if you do, please let me know how it turned out. So next time you're at the supermarket, grab a mango, and make a mango mousse dessert and let me know how it turned out, because nothing gets me more excited and motivated than your feedback. I thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you soon in a new video.